Round 2 of Victorinox versus Wenger. When I bought the Ranger Grip 79, I was using some gift vouchers that I received for my birthday, and I had a little bit of money left on the voucher after the Ranger Grip purchase, so I also purchased one of these, a little Wenger Pt.2 two-blade slim pocket knife with a nice metallic red finish. The obvious question for me once I'd decided to buy this was, how's it going to stack up to my everyday carry knife, the Victorinox Secretary. Same pattern pretty much, same size. Is it the same quality? Well, if we go over to the desktop, we'll have a look at both knives side by side and then a few close-ups and you see what you think.
Okay, so here we have the two gentleman pocket knife styles, one from Victorinox, the Secretary, and the Wenger Pt.2. Very similar knives, both follow the traditional pattern of one full-size blade and one small blade, although whereas the Victorinox has the standard drop point style for the small blade, the Wenger has a clip point. Both of these are slip joints. The Wenger has a split ring to attach it to your key ring, which the Victorinox doesn't. Now both of these things, the different blade shape for the small blade and the presence or absence of a split ring, I'm going to discount in my final decision, because I think they're both basically matters of personal preference. Personally, I prefer the Victorinox without the split ring. The construction is the same in each case. Single metal scale on either side, no separate liner, and 3 pins holding everything together. The problem for me comes in when you look at the fit and finish. The Victorinox to the naked eye is flawless. The Wenger, I have a problem with the quality of the finish with the pins and the holes where they go through the scales. Whereas on the Victorinox, all the ends of the pins protrude by the same amount and are evenly rounded. On the Wenger, some are rounded, some are flat, some are flush, some protrude, and on several of them you can see a raggedy hole in the metal scale where the pin goes through. I have two of the Victorinox up to now and they're both flawless. This is the only Wenger that I've seen of this pattern, so this might be a one-off. But given the issues that I had with its big brother, the Ranger Grip 79, in a previous video, I have to seriously doubt that the overall quality control of the Wenger is up to the standard of Victorinox. Now the problem for me comes in with the press release a few months ago saying that the Wenger knives are going to be amalgamated into the Victorinox line. They'll produce some designs under the Victorinox name and they're going to reduce duplication between the two brands. Production will still continue at the Wenger factory, but the question has to be, will the quality control at the Wenger factory be brought up to that of the main Victorinox output, or will the Victorinox quality be dragged down by being produced at what will be the old Wenger factory. I'm hoping that the Wenger quality will be brought up to scratch, but at the moment there's nothing to say which way it's going to go. So on the Victorinox versus Wenger challenge, again I have to say Victorinox. Until Wenger can match the standards, however many months left there are of Wenger production, they're just not going to be as good as Victorinox. When production's merged, who knows? So there you go. Victorinox Secretary, the Wenger Eloxy 01. I go with the Victorinox every time. Thanks for watching.